We missed the Christmas market in Strasbourg, guys, but here it's still open, so we'll check this one out.
Everything is calm, now it's midnight. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace. And I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise man keeping watch, now it's midnight. And though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine, it's the season for all time, walking in our midnight wonderland. The fuss and hustle of yesterday's gone. Now let us focus on the holidays, having fun, coming together with the family and friends. A gift that's heaven sent, it's heaven sent to you and me. Now the wise man keeping watch while it's midnight. And though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine, it's the season for all times, walking in our midnight wonderland. Everything is calm, now it's midnight. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace. And I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking in our midnight wonderland. Walking through a
for now, guys, but still, it's very appealing. I am now in front of Maison de Tête. In English it means the house of the heads, and maybe you know why. I'll show you. We are done with our visit here in Colmar. So much places to see. We haven't seen everything, so you need maybe 2 or 3 days.
Yes, at least.
So
Also during summertime, I think it's also very nice.
exactly, the flowers.
Oh
We got a
my
souvenir.
God! Memories, souvenir of Alsace.
Yeah, this Christmas season, and a box of 6 glasses of Alsatian wine glasses, actually.
As we have Alsatian
Wine,
wine,
Alsatian
as well,
wine.
so we need glasses to
Yeah.
drink Alsatian wine
Exactly.
in Alsatian style.
Yes, look at that, another place. Going back to the car, and I hope you had a very beautiful, happy, joyous, and fruitful Christmas, everyone. Bye. We did.
I think we are oversaturated with Christmas already.
Yes. Ciao, ciao.
Bye bye.